in our primary and secondary schools.
Jatend migao mar thieth Susan Nakhumicha oyango thieth matalek maternal newborn child health kod mbui ma daktari smart telemedicine e sub-county ma Narok West, ka thieth mageto bero thieth mag mine mapek kod nyithindo matindo. Othieth nero ma ji giwegi nogere riwruok ma ekin piny serikal kamoting'o M-Pesa Foundation, od thieth mar nyithindo mar Gertrudes kod oganda e nengo maromo $65 million. Nakhumicha olero ni kar od thieth nero biro duoko chien tho mar mine mapek kod nyithindo matindo mathothne ikelo kod wuotho safar maboyo e manyo thieth.
As M-Pesa Foundation, we're here to launch 2 projects as we continue our healthcare interventions in Narok. One of these projects is our Kenya shillings 168 million flagship telemedicine program called Daktari Smart. That is enabling children aged 1 to 21 years from rural, underserved areas to access specialist diagnosis and treatment in 5 counties.
Hapa Narok, for every 100,000 women ambao wanajifungua, tunapoteza wamama 434. That is not good. Sasa nataka kukuomba governor, tufanye kazi pamoja, tukue na facility mingi kama hii ambazo kina mama wanaweza kuwa wakienda wakitaka kujifungua, ili tusipoteze mama hata mmoja wakati analeta uhai katika dunia. Vile nimekuwa nikitembea pale hospitali kuangalia wale wa mama ambao wamejifungua, nimeshikwa na butua kwa sababu nimepata ni wasichana ambao wangekuwa wangali shule. Teenage mothers ndio wale nimepatana nao pale ndani. Sasa mimi nataka kuwaomba watu wa tafadhali waachaneni na wasichana wamalize shule.
CHP Talek Health Center currently serve an estimated population of 11,699 residents. With the introduction of this new unit, these services will now be extended to the majority of residents in Narok West.
Apisa mag okwach kich ma Malindi